Hi, my name is Tom Perdue. I'm the Product Development Manager here at Camedge Engineered Solutions. We're the largest producer of metal conveyor belts for food processing and industrial applications. Today I want to take a few minutes to introduce you to some of the design features and benefits of Camedge, our newest belt for spiral conveyor systems. So today I want to talk about 4 key points as it relates to our Camedge belt and system. We'll talk about the similarities between Camedge and traditional spiral conveyor systems. More importantly, I want to talk about the differences between Camedge and traditional spiral conveyor systems. We're going to cover some of the features and benefits of Camedge, particularly as it relates to plant operations and especially for food processing. And finally, I want to show 2 styles of our Camedge belt. So I'm here today from our Innovation Center. This is a Camedge spiral behind me. It's a very small system. It actually utilizes about 100 feet of belt. A more typical system in a real application might have 1,000 feet or even 2,000 feet or more. And lastly, the features and benefits of our system can be used to help optimize the manufacturing footprint. How does that work? Well, basically the unit, again, because it lacks a rotating drum in the center, there's a large open area within that system that can be utilized. We've seen customers utilize this to actually construct a unit around a fixed building column, okay? Utilize an area of the plant that couldn't ordinarily be utilized otherwise. Related to that, along those same lines, that same open area can be used to position and locate equipment, air handling equipment or other types of equipment used for that system that could be important. So what are the similarities between Camedge belt system and a traditional spiral system? Well, they both are intended to incorporate a large amount of belt in a relatively small footprint. That's characteristic of all spirals. Secondly, they both have a similar infeed and discharge section. Okay, this is an upgo unit. We come in low, we exit high. Here. Both would have a type of return. Okay, we've got to get from the discharge section back to the infeed. That's accomplished through a return of some type. And finally, there are within both systems there are similar types of belt depending on the product support needs. First of all, when we talk about Camedge, this is generally what we're referring to. Okay, this was the original product that we developed for this. Again, it has the components and it has basically a flat wire type of mesh overlay. Okay, this is basically geared toward a packaged product type application. The openings here that are shown are fully adjustable, and we can make belts to pretty much any spec desired for that. But again, this being Camedge. Our latest product development of this, our newest product, is what we call Camedge More. And if you can see, this is the belt that has a very similar edge construction. In fact, it utilizes the same components. But instead of the flat wire, the very open mesh within the center, we're inserting a mesh overlay. Okay? And basically the purpose of this is to be able to accommodate loose or raw products directly on the belt for some type of freezing or cooling or some type of application similar to that. And basically with the tightness of the mesh, there's a reduced chance for product marking. It's much more friendly to the product and at times much more needed depending on the size of the product. So both the Camedge and Camedge More are full stainless steel construction. So what does that give you? Basically it gives you good cleanability, okay? It's very, very important obviously for food processing operations. The stainless steel can withstand harsh chemicals without material degradation. And finally the belt from those materials can withstand extreme temperatures, from the very low temperatures of freezing to the higher temperatures of exposure due to cooking or steaming. So I hope you found this video useful. To learn more about Camedge and how it can be beneficial to your food processing facility, contact our team here at Camedge. And please let us know if you have any questions by including them in the comments section below or by calling or visiting us online. And thanks for watching.